So now we will proceed to the softball rule 5 to 8. So for the rule 5, the game. So section 1, choice of turn at bat. So the choice of the first or last bat in the inning shall be decided by a toss of coin until otherwise stated in the rules of the organization under which the schedule of game is being played. So for the section 2 is the fitness of ground. The fitness of the ground for a game shall be decided solely by plate umpire. So section 3 is the regulation game. So a regulation game shall consist of 7 innings. So yes, this is the 7 innings. Then we will proceed to the section 4, the winner of the game. So the winner of the game shall be the team that scores more runs in regulation game. Then the section 5 is the run ahead rule. So a run ahead rule shall be used at all tournaments and championships. So for the section 5, the tiebreaker. Then the section 7 is the scoring of runs. Then for the section 8 is the charge conferences. Then for the rule 6, pitching regulation or fast pitch only. So for the section 1 of the rule 6 is the preliminaries. Then the section 2 is starting the pitch. So the pitch starts when one hand is taken of the ball or the pitcher makes any motion that is part of his wind up. So for the section 3 is the legal delivery. Then next is the section 4, the defensive positioning. Yes, this is the defensive positioning. Then for the section 6, the catcher. Section 7, throwing to a base. Then the section 8 is intentional base on balls. So if the defensive and team desires to have an intentional base on balls awarded to a batter, either the pitcher, catcher, or coach may do so by notifying plate umpire who shall award the batter first base. Then for the section 9 is the warm up pitches. Then for the section 10 is the no pitch. Then section 12 is the illegal pitcher. So we will go back to the section 10. Yes, it's only section 10. It jumps into section 12. Then for the rule 6, the pitching regulation or the modified pitch only. So the section 2 is starting the pitch. Then the section 3 is the legal delivery. So we will back to the starting the pitch. So for the section 2 is the pitch starts when one hand is taken of the ball. Then the section 3 is the legal delivery. Then next is the section 4, the defensive positioning. Then the section 5 is the foreign substance. Then the section 6 is the catcher. Next is the section 7 is the throwing to a base. Next, the section 8 is intentional base on balls. If the defensive team desires to have intentional base on balls awarded to a batter, either the pitcher, catcher, or coach may do so by notifying the plate umpire who shall award the batter first base. Then for the section 9 is the warm-up pitches. Yes, as you can see. Then for the section 10 is the no pitch. The no pitch shall be declared when the pitcher pitches during the suspension of the play. Then the section 11, the drop ball. So if the ball slips from the pitcher's hand during his delivery, a ball is declared on the batter and the ball will remain in play and the runners may advance at their own risk. Then for the section 11, the illegal pitcher, then the okay, we are back then. So the illegal pitcher who has been declared an illegal pitcher as a result of the team exceeding the charge conference limit may not return to the pitching position at any time for the remainder of the game. So for the Rule 6, the pitching regulation or the slow pitch. So kanina, Rule 6 pitching regulation, but it's the we will go back. It's the modified pitch only. So, doon sa isa is the slow pitch only. So, for the section 1 is the preliminaries. Then, section 2 is the starting the pitch. Then, for the section 3 is the legal delivery. Section 4 is the defensive positioning. Section 5 is the foreign substance. Section 6 is the catcher. Section 7 is the quick pitch. Then the section 8 is the intentional on balls. Then the section 9 is the warm-up pitches. So they have the same on the modified. Some of the section is the same on the modified pitches only doon sa Rule 6 na first. Then next is the section 10 is no pitch. Then the section 11 is the illegal pitcher. Then now we will proceed now to the Rule 7, the batting. So the section 1 is the bat on deck batter. So the on deck batter. So next is the section 2 is the batting order. Then section 3 is the batting position. Then for the section 4 is a strike is called by the umpire. Yes. Then for the section 5 is a ball called by the umpire. Then next is the section 6, the batter is out. Then for the last rule is the Rule 8, the batter, runner, and runner. So for the section 1, the batter becomes a batter runner. Then for the section 2, batter runner is out. Then for the section 3, the batter runner is not out. So when a fielder makes a play on a batter runner while using an illegal glove. Next is the section 5. Runners are entitled to advance with liability to be put out. Then section 6. A runner forfeits his exemption from liability to be put out. Then the section 7. Runners are entitled to advance without liability to be put out. Then for the section 8, a runner must return to his base. So a runner must return to his base but need not touch the intervening bases. So next is the section 9, the runner is out. Then section 10, the runner is not out. So that would be all for the Rule 5 to 8. And thank you.